Want to generate unlimited AI videos? But think Kling AI Pro is only for paid users? Think again. I just found a way to use it for 100% free. No watermark. No credit card or subscription needed. And yes, unlimited AI video generation. In this video, I'm exposing the method no one's talking about. It's fast, it's easy, and I'll guide you step by step till your first video is downloaded. So before we unlock this hack, do one thing: smash that like, subscribe, and hit the bell, 'cause you're about to level up your content game. Step 1. Open Google and search Believe.ai, yes, Believe.ai. Click the first link and boom, you're in. Before we jump into the steps, let me quickly tell you what Believe.ai is. Believe.ai is a powerful online platform that lets you generate AI videos just by uploading an image and writing a simple prompt. But here's the cool part: it supports Klink AI as a video engine, which means you can create studio-quality AI videos without paying anything. No watermark. No subscription. No limitations. Just your creativity and a few clicks. Let me show you exactly how it works, step by step. Step 2. Log into Believe.ai with your Google account. It's fast and free. Step 3. Once you're in, click on the video generator option from the dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Step 4. Now, upload your image or choose one from their gallery. Then, write a prompt, be creative. For example, the girl opened the car door. Step 5. This is the secret move: in the settings, select Klink AI Pro as your video engine. Yup, that's how we unlock Klink AI Pro features without paying a dime. Step 6. Hit that shiny generate button and let Believe.ai do the rest. Boom. Your video is ready. Just click on the download button and save it to your device. No watermark, no limit. If this trick helped you, don't keep it to yourself. Smash that like button, drop a comment if you have any questions, and share this with your friends. Subscribe to AI Website Hunter for more 100% free AI tools and hacks every week.